So, why are you here?
It's a crime scene.
Yeah, but you do blood spatter. So? There's no blood here.
That's right, notice it. The one clue. The ice truck killer left behind, right?
Right. Wait, how'd you know that?